Hello everyone, am I audible? Hello everyone, am I audible? Give me a thumbs up. Are you able to see me? Welcome to the class everyone. I'm really glad that you all are here. So this is the Unacademy platform that you people really love, and that's why I'm here to teach you today. So this is my first YouTube class and I am really excited, much more excited than you people. So let's move ahead and see what are we going to study today. So this class would be for 7th standard and we would be studying about the human circulatory system. Okay guys, give me a thumbs up if I'm audible and if you're able to see me. Quickly. Okay, so this class is for 7th standard. We would be covering a small topic, yet a very influential topic on the human circulatory system. And then after that, when we will be able to clear all our concepts and we will be able to study the subject in detail. Then we would be having a mentee quiz. So are you all excited? Let's move ahead. So let me tell you a bit about myself. My name is Abha Sharma and I am an educator from past 4 years. And you people, I just love to teach people like you, children like you, and I believe that everyone is a star child. And with correct guidance, you can really perform exceptionally well. So that's why I'm an educator and I love the subject science because it really helps us to, gain a bit more knowledge about this particular subject. Why I'm not able to see your people's chat? Give me a thumbs up if you are able to see me. Okay, come on. Am I visible, guys? Okay, let me just refresh my chat once. Okay, hi everyone, and now I can see it. So we have Abhi, PQ, Atul, Anshika, Anu, Sayantani. Hi Sayantani, I have met you before as well. Hi everyone, I'm really glad that you are here. Hi Pratikshay. Yes, we do have Menti today. Hello Shubham, I'm really glad that you people are here. Hi Shivansh, I'm doing great. A little under the weather, but I'm still doing great and really excited about my first YouTube class. Okay, so this is a bit about myself, and let's move ahead with a little bit more knowledge about Unacademy platform. So this platform has a lot of upcoming batches where you can be a part of. We for particularly 7th class, we have complete Hindi and English course that is taught by these beautiful two teachers and all the intellectual other teachers that you can see on your screen. We have courses for math, science, SST. So you can be a part of all these batches if you would like to be a part of Unacademy platform. Okay, so this is the new weekend batch that we have introduced. And for 7th class, where is it? Yes. So Surabhi ma'am would be taking your science and Prashant sir would be teaching you maths. So this would be again very much, I would say, an interactive session with both of them. And again, that's the best part about it, is that it would be a weekend batch. Hello, Pratikshay. Yes, Ayantani, I do remember you. Okay, excretory system. Surely, probably in my, in my special class or another YouTube class, I would cover excretory as well. So go follow and subscribe me on the Unacademy platform so that you are able to get all the updates of all my classes. I'll make sure that I cover that as well. Hi, Gitika. Yes, I'm doing great, guys. And yes, we do have mentee quiz. Yes, Atul, I know you have been on my all of my classes. That's really great. Yes, I do have the special classes on the platform as well. That's really great. That's really great that you people are from my special classes. I hope that you people like them. So the another batch that we have is like our English and Hindi batch, and I'm just again and again pushing that forward. Yeah. So all of these batches have already been started, and you can be a part of them and learn a lot about it, because you also know that this period is very important for everyone to actually catch up with your studies. So all of these beautiful teachers and intelligent teachers would be helping you with it. So for class 7, Hindi literature would be taken by Sonal ma'am and English would be taken by Sayoni ma'am. So they will be covering like each and every topic and part of your classes. Let's move ahead. Then you people know that we have our Plus and Iconic subscription. This is the new one. So in the Plus subscription, you would be getting all the benefits of the India's best teachers, interactive class such as these. Moreover, you would be getting access to all the Plus courses. So I think that's the best part about this. And then you would be having live tests and quizzes just like this one today. And then I think the most important and the lovely part about this is the creative corner. So this creative corner basically give you access to a lot of free classes. However, you have to be a part of the Plus subscription. In this, you can actually learn about doodling and other activities that you like to do apart from studies. And if you want to go for the best, that is the Iconic subscription, and you feel that you need, I would say, a personal mentor. So all of this will be provided into the Iconic subscription. You would be getting a personal mentor that would be, guiding you that how to cover your syllabus and everything. Okay, when is my special class? This week. Very soon I would be taking that, probably on Tuesday. And go and subscribe to my channel on Unacademy so that you can get an update as well. Okay? So these are the things that you would be getting with the Iconic subscription. Now the important thing that you can see my referral code over here on the right upper side of your screen, that is AS23. This is my referral code if you like my classes and you want to be taught by teachers like me. So you can subscribe to both of these, any of these I would say subscriptions, and you can use my code to get a 10% discount. Hello Mannat. Hi Satish. Okay. So these are basically your rate plans for both of them, the Plus one and the Iconic one. So it is very easily, I know you people are very good with math, so you can easily see if you go for like more number of months, it would be like really cheaper and economical for you. And then you will be getting all the, benefits of being on this platform. Just like me, there are like, number of wonderful teachers all across India that would be making you study about the courses and everything. And you can be a part of each and everything. So you can get a personal mentor as well if you go for the Iconic one. So these are the two subscriptions available for us. And again, my referral code could get you a 10% discount. So let's see who I will be meeting in my Plus classes. Yeah, exactly. I think I don't have one. And right now I'm presenting on the Google slide. So we are not like capable of using the pens right here. Okay, so sorry for that. Okay, so today's topic, as I discussed, is human circulatory system. So before beginning with this topic, uh, you people know what chapter is it from? Yes, in Google Slides, we can't only in PowerPoint. Yeah, in Google Slides, we can actually use this pointer itself. So I don't think I'm like capable of doing the other thing. Like, yeah, pointer would be only the one for this class. Okay, so the human circulatory system, as you people know, it is a very important part in your topic. Yes, great guys. This is the part of your chapter transportation in animals and plants. And this is one of the major parts because we will be talking about the circulatory system. So without using any of your precious valuable time, we would be moving ahead because there's a lot to cover and then we need to have the quiz as well. So who is excited for the quiz? Okay, so you people know if A thing needs to go on the B thing, it needs some kind of a support. It needs to be carried from one place to another. So same way, like if you want to go to a mall or go to an amusement park, can you just, snap your fingers and reach just like Doraemon used to do from his anywhere door? No, right? Oh, that's great. You people are excited. So we, as humans and as living organisms, same as plants and microorganisms, we need some kind of a circulatory system, or I would say something that carries each and everything in our body to its destination or to where it is required. So that kind of transportation is needed in all the plants and animals. So the circulatory system is a very, I would say, influential part of our body that we need to take care of. So all the living organisms, animals and plants need a transport system to supply them with food, water, oxygen to carry away harmful waste materials produced in their bodies. So this is the basically the thing that we need food and water and oxygen. Now, if I keep the food on the table, can you just, can your stomach just go and grab it? No, right? We need to take that food, carry it to our table, need to put that in our mouth, and slowly and gradually it will reach our stomach. Yes. So I think you people are making friends over here. That's really great. So, this is what our circulatory system does. Our circulatory system basically initiates and help the food, water and oxygen in our body to go from one place to another. And same with the harmful waste. So if you want to, throw all the garbage out from your house, is it possible for it to just go by itself? No, you basically pick it up, you carry that garbage, you put that in a garbage van, and that garbage van go to a dump and throw it over there. So basically, you need to carry each and everything. So that is the basic concept behind our circulatory system. So human circulatory system looks something like this. Why it is important? As I just told you, the blood circulatory system makes food, water, and oxygen available to each and every part of the body. So if I say here, over here in our stomach, the food is actually absorbed and all the minerals and vitamins are basically absorbed in our stomach. So it will not on itself go to any part of the body. So it needs something to basically carry that kind of energy to each and every cell of the body. So this is what our circulatory system does. Same way, if our kidneys just create the waste material, it needs something to, carry that waste outside our body. So the circulatory system helps us in transporting food, water, oxygen, as well as waste materials from our body. So let's see what are the components of a human circulatory system. Okay. Yes, there is a mentee quiz, Anu. There is a mentee quiz. Just hold on with me, clear your concepts, and then we would be going ahead with the mentee quiz. So, the human circulatory system consists of three things. That is a heart, that you all know. It basically pumps our blood, pumps and pushes our blood to all the parts of the body. Then we have our blood vessels. Blood vessels, we have three kind of blood vessels, that are arteries, veins and capillaries. So we would be going in detail of all three of these. And then the most important fluid part of our body, that is again very important, I would say it is blood. So blood basically helps us to circulate each and everything to each and every cell of our body. So these are the three things that our circulatory system consists: heart, blood vessels and blood. So let's talk about blood first. What is blood? What is it made up of? Is it a single red colored liquid, or does it actually contains a lot of things? So the second part would be like the correct point, because it does have four components, as you can see on your screen, or you can just quickly see on this diagram. This child is like holding like a balloon. Okay, so if I basically segregate the blood, it can be segregated into four parts. One would be the red blood cells. The other one would be, oh, my Bixby is on. Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah, very soon I would be taking a session on acid, bases and salt. Probably tomorrow, children. I would be having a quiz on this topic. Hello Vedanti, how are you doing? Okay, so here we will be talking about blood, and as I mentioned, that blood has four components, that is plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. If I just segregate the blood on basis of its components, that would be 55% of plasma is present in our blood. We would be going in detail of each one of them, so you don't have to be like what is plasma or what is WBC and RBC. We would be going and studying about each one of them. So let's just quickly understand blood in brief. Great, Pratiksha. Great, guys. So blood is a red colored liquid which flows in the blood cells and circulates in our body. It is red because it contains a red pigment called hemoglobin. Here the spelling of hemoglobin is a typo. Hemoglobin is spelled as HAEMOGLOBIN. So let me just write it in the chat section. Oh, again, that's the typo. Just give me a second. Yeah, now that's right. Okay, so hemoglobin is spelled as HAEMOGLOBIN. So this is the red pigment present in blood that makes it appear red. Now hemoglobin not only gives the red color to the blood, but it does actually help in something that is very crucial. So do you know what is that? We would be answering them in the further slides. So let's see who is able to answer that, what actually hemoglobin does. What is the function of hemoglobin? Yes, there is a mentee quiz. That's why I'm quickly like wrapping up with the slides and telling you each and everything. Okay, so I would say just take an example of a mango shake. You make mango shake and you put your mangoes and sugar and your milk and everything, and you create a liquid of mango shake. Just give me a second. Okay, I got that. So mango shake is a liquid that you have created by putting a lot of components. Now it is a simple plain yellowish liquid. Now to just bring some dizzle dazzle into it, what you do is you put some raisins into it, you put some almonds into it, and you put cherry into it. So now that liquid is containing some kind of components in it. So the same way that blood works, that liquid component or mango shake of our blood is plasma, and other than that, all the RBC, WBC and platelets just revolve in it like the components, like the almond, cherry and that raisin would do um, in a mango shake. So that's why I wrote this line: blood is a liquid called plasma with red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets floating into it. Okay, so the liquid or the thing that make the blood liquid is plasma. Thank you so much, Dipanshu. Namaste. Yes, Sonali, I do remember you. I'm so glad that you are here. Okay, quickly, I'll just cover it up and quickly, so that we can go ahead with our mentee quiz that is waiting for you. So, and guys, before reaching that mentee quiz, it's very important for you to actually learn each and everything, because otherwise you won't be able to answer them. Okay? See, Purnam has given such a good explanation of hemoglobin. Just look at the chat, guys. Hi, Rita. Okay. So, is it urine? Abhinanda, what do you... No, it's not urine. It's plasma. Plasma, the part of your blood. And it is yellowish color. So, the liquid part of the blood is called plasma. It is pale, yellow and sticky. So, if you do not have red blood cells or hemoglobin, your blood would look like this yellowish liquid over here. It contains 90% of water and 3% of common salt. So plasma carries water and dissolved substances such as digested food and waste product from one part of the body to another, and it consists of each and every other component of blood. So I'm like quickly now moving ahead, and so that we can start with the quiz very soon. Now we come to the red blood cells. This is basically the red pigment of our blood. And why is it red? You people know, because you are very intelligent. That is hemoglobin. So hemoglobin gives that red color to the blood. The second most important thing that hemoglobin does is to carry oxygen, bind oxygen. So without hemoglobin, we won't, or the blood won't be able to transfer oxygen to each and every part of the body. So hemoglobin binds with the oxygen and transport it to all the parts of our body. So just give me a thumbs up if you understand that. I am doing great, guys. So red blood cells contain hemoglobin. That's why they are red, and that's why our blood is red. And that is the reason why we are able to transport oxygen. Okay, let's move ahead with white blood cells. White blood cells, as you can see from the name, and you can just think about that, it is white in color. But the most important function that white blood cells basically perform is that it fights infection and protects us from diseases. It has some kind of antibodies, and it helps us to fight each and every bacteria or germ that is entering our body. However, still, protection is very important in our body. Still, these are like less in number than red blood cells. So, white blood cells are less in number than red blood cells. Red blood cells are more in number. Okay, so remember the function of white blood cells over here. Now, if we talk about platelets, platelets again is a very important part of our body, of our blood. Why? Because they basically help us in clotting blood in any cut or wound. So if there is a cut on your arm or on any part of your body, and it starts bleeding, after a few minutes it automatically will stop bleeding and it will start clotting all the blood over there, and you don't actually need to do anything. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा blood है तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उस पर pressure put कर सकते हो, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. So basically your platelets are the one who just fix that portion or that cut for you in your body. So platelets are again very important or crucial part of our body. Without platelets or with less number of platelets, your wound will not heal. So this is something really important. They are formed in the bone marrow. Again, platelets are formed in the bone marrow. They are really special cells. Yes, WC is a protector. Okay, then let's quickly, see about these two, I would say, you know, type of bloods, that is oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Now, people, must be curious why I basically colored these two droplets of blood in a different, I would say, shade. So, just to make you a little more clear about this concept, your oxygenated blood looks bright red in color. Look at the, I would say, image over here. Okay, so oxygenated blood is absolutely bright in color, and your deoxygenated blood is dark red in color. So that's why I colored these two, droplets like this. And it's very self-explanatory that your oxygenated blood carries your oxygen in it, and it carries fresh oxygen from your lungs to other parts of your body. And deoxygenated blood have no oxygen or less oxygen. Deoxygenated blood is rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, let's move ahead. So here comes your, heart. Heart is used for everything, and that heart doesn't look like this. That you people send me an emoji of a heart quickly. So heart doesn't look like this. Okay. So heart looks something like this. That is, you can see in the picture over here. So heart is an organ which pumps the blood to each and every vessel of the body. Without this, we will not be able to survive. It is present in our chest cavity, and it is made up of cardiac muscles. Yeah, here I can see a lot of hearts. Great, guys. Okay. See, I'm just like literally asking for hearts over here. That's so awkward, I would say. Let's move ahead with the chambers of heart. Now, this is something really important. Focus. Okay. So our heart is basically divided into 4 chambers. You can see over here the light blue part and the red part. So this would be 2, and again you can see where my cursor is moving, and this would be like the other half. So it is just like I cut a mango into 4 pieces. Okay, so our heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 are known as atria or atrium. The singular one would be atrium and the plural will be atria. The lower part of our heart or the lower chambers of our heart are known as ventricles. So we have 4 chambers in total. We have right atrium, we have left atrium, then we have right ventricle and left ventricle. To separate these from the middle, we have a thick muscle partition. This thick muscle partition is known as septum. Okay, remember this. It separates the heart from right to left side. ऐसे ऊपर नीचे नहीं, right to left side में separate करने के लिए we have a septum in between. If I talk about the other term that you can see on your screen, it is pericardium. Pericardium is nothing but a sheath of tissue that is surrounding the heart and it is protecting the heart. That's all. Okay, just let me go through what are veins and arteries. This would be covering this we would be covering in next upcoming slides about veins and arteries. Okay, that is so great, Dipanshu, that you scored the first position. Congratulations. So this is about the chambers of heart. Let's move on to the blood vessels. We have mainly three blood vessels in our body. I would say 3 kind of blood vessels. The first one is arteries, second one is veins, and the third one are capillaries. So this is your favorite topic that you are asking in the chat box. Okay, so let's move ahead and study a bit more and in detail about the arteries. And are you guys sitting with a pen and paper? Because you might be needing that in the upcoming slides. I would say after 2-3 slides. So just have a pen and paper in your hand. Okay. Hanji, there will be a mentee. Do you want me to become the Prime Minister of India, Kunal? Seriously? Okay. That's great, Anu. What should I see? What do you want to start mentee? Yeah, in very soon. Okay. So this is right now. It is 7:10. We would be starting mentee till 7:20. Until then, sit with a pen and paper so that you're able to understand the upcoming slides. Okay. Probably the max it would be 7:20. Okay. So just hold up your horses till then. Okay. So study about arteries. I am very much sure that some of these topics and some of these, these concepts, or I would say the keywords, you people won't be knowing. So please focus over here. It is really important. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry the blood from the heart to all parts of the body. So if we say that if this is a heart, the arteries always take the blood away. They always push the blood away from the heart. Okay? Or just keep this concept in your mind because you would be able to use this ahead. Then they carry blood away from the heart. They are very deep inside our skin. They do have thick and elastic walls. Now, why do they have thick and elastic walls? Because heart actually pushes the blood through arteries with a lot of pressure. So just to sustain in that pressure, their walls are very thick and elastic. Then the main artery is known as aorta. It is known as aorta. It is connected from left ventricle of the heart and carry the oxygenated blood to all the parts of the body. I would be showing you a very, I would say, a plain diagram over here, and then you would be able to understand that. Okay, so aorta is the main artery which carries the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to all the parts of the body. Same with the pulmonary artery, it also takes the blood away from the heart, but where does it take it? It takes the deoxygenated blood from your heart to the lungs. Okay, yes. So, yes, you are right, Bhomik. I would be reading to your chats a little later. Okay. So veins, then let us quickly start veins. So veins are absolutely opposite of arteries. They take the blood towards the heart. That's why they do not have that much pressure to, sustain, and उनको इतना pressure नहीं लेना पड़ता. इसलिए they have very thin walls. They are usually near your skin. So someone just actually asked why they are greenish and bluish in color. So that's why, just because they are like near your skin, and that's why they appear in that particular color. So the main vein called vena cava is actually it is connected to your right atrium of the heart and carries the deoxygenated blood from all the parts of the body back to the heart. And same, you have pulmonary vein. Now you will be noticing this point that you have a pulmonary artery as well as a pulmonary vein. Pulmonary means something related to your lungs. So the veins or the arteries that are connected to your lungs are known as pulmonary. Okay guys, give me a thumbs up if you're still following. I'm just running with it so that we are able to have the mentee quiz. Quickly tell me. Again, let's focus on the capillaries. This is our, what are you people talking about? Okay, I'm like seeing a lot of thumbs ups. So capillaries, I would say, is the mediocre thing or the connection between arteries, veins, body parts. So whenever there is a blood vessel that needs to be joined to the any part of the body or to the cells, so these thin blood vessels actually help. Okay, so capillaries are extremely thin blood vessels which connect the arteries to the veins. Now, why is that? Because some of the arteries carry oxygenated blood and some of the veins carry deoxygenated blood. So, if that would be mixed, there would be no point of having so many vessels that are carrying different kind of blood. So that's why, in order to prevent mixing of blood or the waste materials or anything like that, we have capillaries that are very thin and they prevent mixing up of arteries or veins. So that's why we have capillaries. We do have capillaries at near each and every body cell, because there also it functions in the same way. It helps in exchange of food, oxygen, carbon dioxide and waste products, because they are very thin in nature. So this is a diagram and this is why you need a pen. So are you having pen in your hands? A pen and a paper? Okay, let's just try to understand this particular diagram. Now I know that there is I'm not able to draw in this screen, but I would be explaining them to you in steps. So just try to write first step, second step and third step. So the first step of the circulatory system is in the way when lungs get oxygen, and this oxygen is transported to the left atrium. So the oxygenated blood from the lungs comes to the left atrium with the help of pulmonary vein. Is that clear? This one would be the first step. This oxygenated blood from left atrium goes and just gets pushed down to the left ventricle. You can see a passage over here. So the left atrium pushed this oxygenated blood to left ventricle. This is the second step of your circulatory system. The third one would be left ventricle pushes down the blood to the main artery known as aorta. This aorta takes all this blood to the body parts, to all the body parts. Okay, so this would be the third step. Let me tell you again. First step was oxygenated blood coming from lungs to the left atrium with the help of pulmonary vein. Then this second step, then this oxygenated blood was transferred or pushed from left atrium to left ventricle. Third step, left ventricle pushed down the blood to all the body parts with the help of the main artery aorta. Tanmay, sure, very soon, probably tomorrow I would be having a YouTube class for 6th and 8th class. So be prepared for that. So these are the three steps. Now what happened is the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the hearts and to the body parts, now it has reached. Body parts use all those blood and takes out the waste, I would say deoxygenated blood rich in carbon dioxide. Now this blood is again pushed back because no one wants that waste material. So it is pushed back directly to the right atrium. This right atrium. So see, this is a vein. It takes the blood towards the heart. So this main vein, vena cava, takes the deoxygenated blood from the body parts to the right atrium. This is your fourth step. The fifth one is, now right atrium says that I also don't want that waste blood that is deoxygenated. So it throws and pushes that blood to the right ventricle. So this would be your fifth step. The blood is pumped to the right ventricle from right atrium. The sixth and the last step would be The right ventricle also says, I don't want your deoxygenated blood, so it's just waste for me. So it just gives the blood back to the lungs, that you take it and you just refresh it and then give it to us. So again, the blood from right ventricle just reach the lungs back. That is your deoxygenated blood. So this is your sixth step in the circulatory system, and it is done by pulmonary artery. Whatever doubts you have, just quickly take the question and answer that, okay? So as I promised, we are done with the session till 7:20, and now we would be having our mentee quiz. So all of you just quickly open this website on your browsers, that is mentee.com. I would be telling you a number which you need to put there. And you, as before going there, guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you are able to get each and every update. So give me a thumbs up after you have subscribed to this channel. Quickly, I'm waiting for all of you. Okay. So, have you people subscribed? Give me a thumbs up quickly. I got Neha's, Atul's, Chalak's, and Ravi over here. Yeah, sure. I'm just sharing the code over here. Okay, let's open this one. Let me just find the code for you guys. Are you able to see my screen with the Mentimeter? Okay, so here is the code for all of your, you need to put that code, okay? Are you able to see that? Hello, Bhomik. And I think here we have all the people coming in. Quickly, guys, join quickly. Let's see who will be leading the board. Okay, so the code is, let me type it in the chat as well. It is 8841623. 8841623. Let people, keep joining. Let them join. Okay, so the code is 8841623. You can see it on your screens as well. I believe, are you people only seeing my presentation? Are you able to see that mentee wala screen on my screen? Yeah, I think you people will be. So that is 8841623. Hi, robot. Hi, football. Hi, Gitika. Okay. Another 30 seconds for all of your friends to join. You people have such, kept such good icons, seriously. Because, more number of people and more number of people would be able to compete. So I would be doing a countdown and starting it in 15 seconds. 15, 14, quickly join. I'm waiting for you all. 13, 12, 10. Okay, so the code is, again, someone is asking, 8841623. 8841 623. Okay, Sayanthani, I got that. Thank you for telling me. Yes, here it is. 8841 623. Hi, Ayushi. Quickly join the Mentimeter. Quickly, quickly. I'm waiting for you. Hi, Sanjutaka. Hi, Sanjuta. Okay. Om Rudra Namdeoi. Okay, Om. Quickly join the Mentimeter. I am telling you that for the second time, the last time. It's 8841 623. 8841 623. 8841 623. I am doing great, guys. Okay, so I am starting that in less than 10 seconds. The last time the mentee code is 8841 623. Let's see, Romana, it will be hard for you or it could be easy for you. It depends on how much you have studied and understood. Okay, so we are starting. Are you people excited? Let's focus. And here it is. Answer fast. "30 seconds to answer. I know you can do it." Already started. This is the first question. Don't write the answers in the chat. There's no point then. Bomb it very bad. Rita, stop doing that. Don't write it in the chat. Mention that over there. Okay. So, like 17 of you actually answered it correctly. Let's see the leaderboard. Okay, just give me a second. The time is up, right? Why I'm not able to show you the leaderboard? Okay, and here is the leaderboard. I got that. So Arnav is the first one. Congratulations, and all the people in the here in the house. Great, guys. You people were able to answer it correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Think and answer. You might be wrong. So guys, it's first of all not cool to write the answers in the chat box. Second of all, you never know the person who is telling that is telling the right answer or not. So yes, see, okay, so I believe, yeah, so 13 people did answer that incorrectly. Platelets are not formed in the heart, they are formed in bone marrow. Why did I ask you to focus in the class that much? It was because of this particular reason. Okay, so let's see the leaderboard. And here it is. Sayantani is topping the charts. And Karthik, here she comes. Thank you, Sayantani. Ma'am, you're beautiful. Great, guys. You answered it correctly. Let's move on to the next question. It's absolutely fine. I have like literally given you 30 seconds to answer. So take your time but answer. Okay? Answer correctly. And here is your another question. Oh. Yeah. Why are we not able to? Okay, so now here we go. So this is the fourth question. And are you people able to see the question? Which page are we on? What are you people able to see? Because I am not able to go ahead with the you know, I click this and see, we just jumped to the sixth question. And fifth, we were on the fourth one. Okay, start countdown. Okay, here it is, the fourth question. Thank you for informing me, guys. Bhomik, are you not a part of the Mentimeter? Why are you answering here? Okay, Mandeep, thank you so much for answering me. Let's see who answered them correctly. Oh, that's great. So I would say a lot of you answered it correctly. And yes, the answer is brain. Brain is not the part of circulatory system. And here is the leaderboard. So let's see who is there. You know, it actually calculates that. So Karthik is again on the top, then it's Sayantani maintaining her, position on the leaderboard, then it's Arnav and all of you guys. That's really great. Let's move on to the next question. Here's the next question. Hi Hemant, quickly join the mentee quiz. It is on your screen. 884163. Quickly join the quiz. This one is the easy peasy one. Don't get this wrong. Yes, you can do that. Time's up. So, the correct answer is red blood cells. And why can I see so much of deviation over here? So, red blood cells, have hemoglobin. That's why they are able to bind oxygen and then transport it to each and every part of the body. Platelets or white blood cells do not have hemoglobin to bind oxygen. So, the correct answer is red blood cells. Let's see our leaderboard. Hi, Sai Priya and Krishna. Welcome to the top charts. Okay, let's move ahead. It's absolutely fine if it is a misclick. Hi Himadri, quickly join the mentee quiz. Let's see how much you are able to revise and answer. And time's up. Wow, none of you answered it incorrectly. How are you people doing this? Great, guys. Everyone got a correct answer. Great. So again, we have Karthik, Sai Priya, Sayantani, Arnav, Nilakshi, Pratiksha, Nikhil, Gitika, Ted, and Magical Rhino. Oh, that's a nice name. Let's move on to the next question. It's okay, Mandeep. What's amazing, Abhi? Oh, you people are not able to see the question. Oh, we were jumped to this one. I hope it gets loaded. It isn't. I don't like network issues. Okay, let's move ahead with another thing. Then we have the leaderboard. We have this. I hope it gets launched. No, it isn't. Are you people able to see the next question? Okay, okay. Here it is. Quickly, quickly answer. The question is on board. I know you all know this answer. Oh, great. So most of you did, takes the correct answer. That is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is, guys, who were not able to answer correctly. Hemoglobin basically is the pigment in the blood that makes it look red. Hello everyone to the leaderboard. Congratulations. Let's move ahead with another question. Again, it is like being a little stuck. And here is the question, guys. Focus, focus. If you answered this question incorrectly, then you just see, because I actually made a beautiful slide for all of you to explain this better. So don't answer incorrectly here. It's okay. If you don't know it, I'll explain it. You can also rewatch these sessions, right? So it's perfectly fine. And I have completed this in the Plus course as well. Okay, so there's a lot of deviation. This answer is false, guys, because the deoxygenated blood is dark red in color. Oxygenated one is bright red in color. And see, because of this question, such a rapid change in the leaderboard. So deoxygenated blood is dark red in color. Another question. You can do this. Don't get confused over here. 16 of you answered this in like less than 8 seconds. I hope it is correct. We are talking about the upper two chambers of the heart. And see, a lot of you answered correctly, but I don't know why 6 people were wrong. So the upper two hearts are known as atria, and if we talk about the singular term, that is atrium. Hello everyone to the leaderboard. Let's see who is able to maintain their position. . Yeah, that's 8841 623. Ritesh, if you want to join. This is the one that I actually mentioned in the presentation and the class I took. So that's why I say that it's very important to understand the concept first before having the quizzes. See, so the septum is the right answer. Septum is I would say, a kind of a barrier or a separation between the right and the left part of the heart. And again, people maintaining their positions. Congratulations. Karthik is the fastest till now. Huh? I'm really proud, Karthik. Really nice. True or false? Yes, Ritesh, that this is the code, darling. Just put that in menteemeter.com and you will be able to join the quiz. So let's see who is able to answer this correctly. No, I'm not. Okay, so a lot of you answered it incorrectly, and that is like really disheartening because veins have like really thin walls because they do not need to sustain or maintain that kind of a pressure, but your arteries have thickened walls. So this question was false. See how many of you actually changed their position because of this question. That's why the class is more important than the quiz. I know this is fun, but then we have to study the concept as well. So you need to attend the whole class to answer nicely and to lead basically. Learning is important and important before testing. Let's see who's going to answer this one. Neha is trying to help everyone but is also confusing people. Neha, don't write the answers over here, child. So let's see how many of you are able to answer. Great, a great percentage of you are able to answer that correctly. So capillaries would be the answer over here because they are basically very thin and they are a connection between arteries and veins. So it's easy for them to basically do the exchange of material from here and there. Congratulations! So I believe we are left with the last three questions of this class. Let's see who is going to maintain their position and be on the leaderboard. Rumana, I actually try to put that. So this is my first class on YouTube. So in each and every class, I would really want to put more and more of mentee quiz. But before that, I really focus on the concept because then only you will be able to answer and lead in this quiz. So see how many of you answered it incorrectly. The main vein is known as vena cava. Again, I mentioned it quite a few times in the class. Do attend the class, children, not only mine, for each and every other subject as well. It is important to learn before testing yourself. I'm really glad a lot of you are able to maintain their position, just like Karthik, and a lot of you are like continuously, coming up on the leaderboard. So this is, I would say, the second last question. So still the game has not over yet. This one is the one I mentioned in that blank slide. Think, think, think. Try to create those steps. If you would have written it, you would be able to answer it. It's not difficult, it is a conceptual question. A very conceptual yet, and this particular topic I have again covered in my Plus course. So subscribe to this channel and try to get all the updates, and try to attend all the classes first, and then try to answer the questions. And same with the Unacademy application. Download it, go through the lessons first, learn, and then try to answer them. Okay, so last question of the session is here. Okay, Romana. Okay, definitely. Thank you, Atul, if you like my questions. I hope you're able to answer them. Everyone likes the question, no one knows the answer. Oh, most of you answered it correctly. Yes, it is the oxygenated blood. Okay, so let's see who is on the leaderboard, and let's congratulate everyone. Okay, so we have the first one, that is Karthik. Congratulations for that winner chicken dinner. That's really great. But other than that, Arnav, Romana, and then there is someone's other one's name as well. That Chennai FC, and then we have Sayantani, the one with the football icon, Nikhil, Supriya, Shams, and Jashnur. Really great, guys. It's really great that you are able to answer them, and you were able to answer it. I'm at sixth place. Yeah, that's great. Oh, that's you, Karthik. Congratulations. It's perfectly fine. I'm really glad that you were able to answer the questions. That is the more important part. And I hope that you people learned something really good in these classes. So as you know, if you become a part of Unacademy platform, you would be able to experience all these kinds of things in your daily routine. And just like that, let me just give you a brief. Here you can actually, attend all these things and get all of your doubts clear with wonderful teachers and everyone on the platform. Be a part of Plus courses, lots of quizzes and live classes, and these are all the things that you would be getting. So go subscribe to this channel, download the Unacademy app, and meet you there in the special and Plus classes. Yes, that's great, Rumana. The next mentee probably would be tomorrow. That would be for 6th and 8th class, but you can be a part of it if you actually know the answers. So here, guys, if you want to be the part of Plus courses on Unacademy platform, go ahead and subscribe this channel, and you can use my code that you can see on your screen, that is AS23. Write it somewhere, and you can get a 10% discount because of that. Hello, Sanjukta. You are a Plus student. Tell them how beautiful this platform is, how much you learn about it, and all the things that you get. So, at the comfort of your own home, you can experience each and everything. So, bidding a farewell to all of you. Bye-bye. Take care. I hope you have a good day, and soon we will be meeting on the YouTube platform, or either on the Unacademy one. So give me a thumbs up if you have already subscribed to the channel. Quickly. No, I don't play PUBG. I'm a very bad player, if that's what you're asking. I don't play games. I'm not good at them. Thank you, Romana. Thank you so much. That's really sweet of you. Okay, so let's bid farewell. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.